So the first thing that you see when you load or go to your REDCap page for your institute is the login screen. And if you have your login credentials, we have our IT heads login credentials here. So what we'll do is we'll simply log in. Okay. Once you log in, you'll come to the main page where all your projects that you're working on will be visible. And what we'll do right now is we'll create a new project, right? So let's go on to a new project. We'll give a title to the project. For example, currently we are working on a study. That study is related to carbon footprint for primary care in rural zone. Just an example. Now, whenever you're making a project for a particular study, it needs to be in terms, if you're doing this for quality improvement, you can simply select QI. If it is a research in particular, you need to select the research tab and need to put in all the details of your principal investigator, if you have an IRB or IRB number, and all the relevant details, right? So for us, this is a quality improvement project. It will not require any other details, and we'll simply go on to create a project. Because this is the administrator's account, what usually happens is once you create this project, you directly go to the studies main page. Now, if I go back to my projects, we can clearly see that this particular study was added to the dashboard. But if you are a user and if you make a request for a study, the REDCap administrators for your organization receive the request, they check the request, and then they accept it. So it will take a day or maybe a few hours before you are able to access your studies dashboard. But this is what you'll be able to see once your dashboard is ready and the administrator accepts your study.